Mr. Chesebro, I have a few questions for you, sir. Do you
Okay.
understand the remaining charge against you?
I do.
And you've heard the rights that you would give up by going forward with this plea. Do you still wish to waive those rights and proceed?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty today because you agree that there is a factual basis that supports this remaining charge?
Yes, this charge.
Mr. Grubman, are you satisfied your client is competent in understanding that the plea is voluntary and that there is a sufficient factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor. And there is one thing that I was looking over to my colleagues. We have an agreement. I believe that the state will agree this does not constitute a crime of moral turpitude.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Chesebro,
Have that in the sentencing sheet. That would be great. Thank you.
understood. And I hear that that is without objection from the state and so consistent with the other resolutions in this case. We'll include that on any final disposition form. Mr. Chesebro, do you have any kind of a weapons carry license in the state of Georgia or elsewhere?
No.
All right. Well, I agree and find that there's a sufficient factual basis for the charges as proffered by the state. And I find that this plea of guilty is knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently entered.